Hey guys, last week of school, we're finally here. Have some fun things planned. Once again, every day, Monday through Thursday, 11 o'clock, show up to our class meeting. We need everybody to be there. One of the things is we have a class competition against the other classes in fifth grade. We need to destroy them, so we need as many people as possible to show up. We need everybody. In fact, that's one of the competitions. So make sure you come the rest of the week. The other thing we are going to do mainly is create this memory book. This is something that you will cherish the rest of your life. Every day until you're 99, you will open this up and look at it and think about this wonderful year. So this is your assignment for this week. You're going to go in, you have the memory book here. Just like an assignment, you'll open it up. It'll make a copy for you, just like you've done with a lot of the digital things here. And for you guys, some of you already got the news. We have it here where we can see who has downloaded it. Then when you go to create the pictures here, what you're going to need to do is go to our page for today. And you can see here, this tells about the projects. This gives you a folder with a bunch of different pictures, which is what you will need. This also gives you a link to the Shutterfly account that we have, that we put some pictures in throughout the year. Your parents have this account set up, so you might have to log in with their help. And so what you're going to do is when you click on this folder, you will have this as a shared folder for you to use. Mine will look a little bit different, but essentially it's just a big old folder of pictures throughout the year that we've taken that you can use. And so there's quite a few pictures to choose. And so this is going to make your memory book unique. And so as you download and get your own copy of the memory book, you are going to add to these slides. Once again, all of this is able to be edited. You type in different things. Once again, we have favorite book, main characters. You type in here adjectives about your teacher or teachers. This second one applies. So we have wonderful adjectives. I can't wait to see what those are. If you don't know what an adjective, see your language arts teacher for direction. Oh wait, see your math teacher for direction there. But what you are going to do, we've put in some class pictures, some different important pictures here throughout the year. But then you're going to go down to the last slide here. And for some of you, you just have to click, and you may not have this. So what I can do is cut this. I think most of you on the last slide will have this. All you have to do is hit new slide. In here, you're going to insert a picture. And so the easiest way, I think, is to go up here, go to Insert, Image, and then you're going to do this by your Google Drive. That is if you've clicked on the link that I just showed you that has the big old folders. Then what you'll do is you have different options, your drive, and you'll have right here, you have to hit over, Shared with Me. Once you click Share with Me, you will have all of these pictures that have been shared with that link on our page. And then you'll just choose. So as I go here, I'm going to click, and there it is. You can put, change the background color. You can put a little caption here to remind yourself what's going on. And then once again, you go to the next one, you hit plus to create a new slide. And then as you do this and insert an image from your Google Drive, it will already default probably to the shared with you files, which would be the picture still. If not, you just scroll back and forth. These are kind of sneaky arrows, but you go to the shared with me, and then you have these, and you can pick and choose the ones that you want to put into your memory book. Of course, most of them should involve me, but hopefully you'll take some time this week to create this, and you will have this as a way to remember our amazing year. And if you have any questions, let us know. Have fun.